wait, ignore this box. My best friend is here. This is Sharzad. AKA Shar. Oh, sorry. We've known each other since we were 5. Wait, should I tell them the story? Guys, our first time meeting. English was not our first language. My first language was Russian. Her first language was Farsi. We met in elementary school in our ESL class. My mom loved to dress me in like flower girl dresses. I think, yeah, I was like 4 or 5. People just loved having me as their flower girl. So my mom had a bunch of flower girl dresses that she would always dress me in for school. Sharzad, on the other hand, was a huge tomboy. I thought I was like the coolest girl in school because I was wearing like pom-pom dresses to kindergarten. She was wearing this vest, and what did I say?
I don't know, you just said it was cute or something.
Did I say it was cute, or did I say I don't like the vest?
I thought you told me you liked it, but then you really didn't like it.
Okay, and we were both confused, but I made a comment.
You're right, you said you didn't like it.
I was such a as
You
a
said
little
you didn't
girl.
like it, and then somehow we became friends.
The first thing that I said to her was, do you like your vest?
Yes,
that's what I said. You guys, and when I see Sharzad was like such a sweet girl.
I was like, wait, I think I do.
I promise I'm nicer now. Okay, anyway, yeah. So then we became best friends. Almost every single one of my close girlfriends always described me as like, when I met you, I thought you were gonna be but I'm actually very nice. Well, I can be a but we're not gonna get into that. Anyway, I picked her from the airport. We went to Tao last night. We are headed to Malibu for brunch. I am so excited. Going to Joffrey's, I think that's how you pronounce it. We are going to go do some shopping, and she's supposed to be here for a week, but she's gonna stay here longer because she's the best. And then we might go out to dinner later. And then we have a trip planned on Sunday. We decided, why not go to Vegas? She's never been to Vegas, so it's perfect timing. I just decided, like, let's do a little 2-day trip to Vegas. I don't really like to go to Vegas for longer than 2 days. We're gonna go from Sunday to Tuesday just because we have plans. Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful it looks. This is like Calabasas, I think. All right, I will see you guys when we get to Malibu. We got some drinks. This is the spicy mango martini with tequila. I got oysters because I love oysters. I'm probably gonna end up getting another one. And then a cheese plate. I got a Benedict with crab cake. Sharzad got a salad. What kind of salad is this?
Kale salad.
Kale salad, and then mushroom soup. We just got to breakfast. I'm having scrambled eggs, sausage, potatoes, tomatoes, toast, and then what are you having?
I got a vegan breakfast burrito.
Vegan breakfast burrito.
Nice
She got
coffee.
Yum. And these little jams are so cute.
I know what can take one.
Yeah, we probably. But yeah, we're gonna eat and then head over to our room. So nice outside. And then we're probably gonna go tan. So we just got to the mall. We're gonna do some shopping while we wait for a room. I tried to do early check-in, but the room we requested, I guess, it's gonna take a little longer. But that's fine. We shop. Okay, you guys, so I got these. I know I have the brown ones. I know that I also have a slipper problem. Like, I even came here in my Ugg slippers. Anyway, I got these. These are so gorgeous. I guess that the Louis Vuitton here is the largest Louis Vuitton in North America is what the sales associate said. And then I saw these. I just gave him my card. The color is so pretty. It's like this baby pink color, and they're so soft. They're so much lighter than my other ones. Actually, the other ones are a little chunkier on the bottom. These are a little easier to wear. It's been a really good first day. I'm gonna go see what else I'm gonna get into later today. So I will try to keep you guys posted. And then the mini bar. So many shooters. What is this? Ooh, coconut water. You guys, this view is insane. So beautiful.
These days, I don't really care for all that empty conversation. No. These days, I don't care for competition. You're the one that's racing. No, I don't really want to talk about what I got.
Little.
Okay, so we just got to this restaurant called the Trevi at Caesar's Palace. Got some meatballs, Caesar salad. I'm just waiting on the rest of my food. This is such a pretty hotel. Got the lasagna. I'm actually really full, so I don't even know if I'm gonna eat this now. What did you get?
I got ravioli with vodka sauce.
Straight off the plane to the theater. So much fun. You guys, she hates me right now. You got it, mama? So we just got to Earth. We're both really hungry after our hike. I don't know what I want. I got a tostada salad. What did you get? Sprout sandwich. Then I got an orange, ginger. What else is in this?
That's it.
Orange and ginger juice. And she got, what did you get?
Carrot, celery, ginger.
Ooh, sounds so yummy. really hungry and we got a ton of food. I got the mango passion fruit martini. What is that?
It's like a spicy margarita.
Spicy margarita with, I think, passion fruit as well and pineapple. And then this is an avocado rice. Yeah, avocado crispy rice. And then yellowtail jalapeno. And then roasted corn. So hungry, I want so much more. Guys, I got so much sashimi. And I just finished one that I did not record. This is another one with, I think, crispy onion on it. I have no idea what fish this is. I'm lost. You guys get the corn.
Oh my god, there's 2 left.
There's literally 2 left. Get this corn situation they have. What is it called?
It's just roasted corn.
Roasted corn. This, I thought I was not gonna like. It is so freaking good. I just got my Wagyu tacos. We got crispy cauliflower. And then I get the king crab tempura. So good. You guys have to try it if you like crab. And then I got some rolls that I do not remember the name of. I suck at this. I think it's like a crab roll. And something with tuna and eel sauce on it. And Shahrazad got some roasted veggies because she's a vegetarian. But those look so good. Honestly, everything that she's got has been so good. I've tried all of it. Okay, and of course, I think that their dessert might be my favorite. This is called something Frito. I don't remember how to pronounce it, but it's so good. It's like this passion fruit pudding and then it has pistachios in it. It is delicious. And then I always get the bento box here. It's just like a chocolate lava cake with ice cream. Wait, didn't we ask for green tea ice cream? They gave us the wrong ice cream. Oh, and then we got the hazelnut cookie, which I've never had. I'm really excited to try. You guys, she can't get the card off the table. God.
Oh my god, Elizabeth.
We just got to downtown Palm Springs and we put our names down for a table at this one restaurant called Tequila or something. This is their downtown. Just taking a little stroll while we wait for a table. We're starving. Hi! How are you feeling?
I'm hungry.
We're both
Good.
starving.
Yeah, we had a long drive.
Yeah.
We now have to wait an hour for our table, which is nice. So we're just walking and it's so cute. Show them.
Show them. It's so cute. I've been here so many times.
This is only like my 3rd time.
This is like my 10th time, but I also live in LA. So we're at this place called Tequila and we got box salsa chips and we're probably gonna end up ordering half the menu because we're so hungry. What?
As usual.
We got the Mexican corn, it looks so good. And then I got prickly pear margarita. Excuse my little mess. What did you
I
get?
got kiwi.
I got shrimp fajitas. What did you get?
Veggie.
And then we got tres leches cake and a churro sandwich. It's so bright. Good morning, guys. Okay, so do not judge me. I just woke up. We are in Palm Springs and I wanted to give you guys a little house tour. You walk in and we've already kind of messed the place up. I probably should have done this yesterday, but this is the living room. Honestly, all we really cared about was a pool because we just wanted to tan. This is the kitchen. Something we're not going to use because we're not gonna cook. We've just been eating out the dining room area. And then there's 3 rooms here. One of the bathrooms. I like how cute and like rustic it is for like a Palm Springs type of vibe. What's in here? This is one room. We're not gonna be using this. This is my room. This is Shahrazad's room. There's a lot of stuff laying around. If I can open this. So pretty. Such a beautiful day out. I wanna go out and tan. Oh my God. I just broke the pole. Broke the pole trying to open. Okay, we're back. That took a minute. It's back on, I hope. So she has the really nice pool view. And this is her bathroom. She's doing her makeup, so I'm not gonna show her. And then I think this opens out into the, oh, it's locked. I'm not even gonna try it because I already broke some things. Walk out here. Ooh. This is the pool. I didn't know if I wanted a hot tub or not. Every time I get a house with a hot tub, I never use the hot tub anyway, so yeah, it's so pretty. We decided to order some food from DoorDash. We just wanted to lay out and tan today instead of going and getting lunch. Just wanted to get as much sun as we could. I got the Santa Fe salad I've already ate because I just could not wait. I was so hungry. And I got this breakfast burrito in here that I don't feel like taking out. And this orange lemon ginger juice. It's so good. So I just came outside to tan. I'm gonna do this for a little bit and then probably go take a shower and get ready for dinner.
Hey, I know where we can go, mama, sit down, and we can keep it on the low.
Okay, so I got Alfredo shrimp, regular Alfredo, and margarita flatbread. iced grande matcha with oat milk, caramel drizzle around the cup.
Okay. And 3 pumps of raspberry.
And 3 pumps of raspberry. And then I'll just take a cold brew.
I don't want anyone to know my order. It's secret.
I recorded your order. Last day, guys. We just went and got some coffee. I got venti cold brew with a single shot and almond milk. And I just came back to just lay out by the pool for a little bit. And we were gonna extend another day. I feel like every trip I go on, I end up wanting to extend. We're gonna pack up and head to Palm Desert to go do a little shopping and grab some lunch, just kind of hang out, and then probably head back. But I'll see you guys in Palm Desert. So we just got to Palm Desert. We're walking over to Tommy Bahama. It's this restaurant that I love here in Palm Desert. How do you like Palm Desert? It's our first time.
It's so cute.
I got distracted by a dog. It was so cute. It was so small. I want to get a dog soon. I'm very excited. I think Palm Springs is more touristy, wouldn't you say?
Exactly.
Whereas Palm Desert is more relaxed and like shopping. And
It's cleaner.
they have like Gucci here, Bottega, Louis. We just put our name down. It's gonna be how long?
20 minutes.
20 minutes. So we're gonna go. Yeah, not bad. Last time I came here, I think it was like an hour wait, but they always quote an hour and then it'll be like 10 minutes. I was a host at a restaurant. I did the same thing. It's just better to give more time. That way you don't have guests coming up to you and being like, you said 10 minutes and it's been 20. I usually,
so I know.
exactly. You say like an hour because then it's like they can't get mad if you're willing to put your name down for an hour.
Versus
Exactly. The last time I was here, it was like 110 outside. There was nobody outside because of how hot it was. Feels like it's like in the 80s right now. This bread that they bring you, I have been here a few times now, and this bread is phenomenal. So it's not even the bread, it's this bread they give you. It's almost like a sweet cinnamon butter. So good. We got this hummus and whipped feta appetizer. Guys, this music in the background, this man is amazing. Hope I don't get copyright on this video though. Then I got the coconut shrimp. This is so good. I get this every time I come here. So I got the ahi, I think, tacos. I am so full. I'm gonna have to end up boxing this to go. I ate way too much of the shrimp and hummus. And then Shiza got fries and a veggie bowl. So decided to stop by the Cabazon outlet, and this line is insane. There's like a Balenciaga, a Saint Laurent. Let's see what the lines are like. We're at Meat in Santa Monica. We ordered everything. We got a half a dozen oysters. This is why you don't order when you're hungry. Half a dozen oysters for me because I love oysters. This charcuterie board with a bunch of stuff on it. I don't even know what half of this is. I was barely listening to the lady. And then a hummus. Wine. And then we're waiting on the rest of our food. This is just appetizers. I got the iceberg lettuce salad with bacon, tomato, avocado, blue cheese. What did you get?
I think it's just a regular salad.
Mixed green salad.
Yeah.
And then I got a filet, mac and cheese, and mashed potatoes. Alright, so we're at Catch, and it's not a boomerang, Shiza. I'm having a Sauvignon Blanc. What are you having?
It's like a spicy margarita.
Yeah. And we ordered a ton of food. The server had to stop us. That's enough.
That's good.
Yeah.
So good.
I got 4 or 5 different appetizers, and then I was like, I think I'm also gonna get. He was like, I think that's good for you
I
too.
also ordered 5 things. We ordered like 10 things.
You guys, she's a vegetarian too, so like we can't even eat.
Separate.
Yes. Oh my god.
God.
Table is enough for 2 plates. Yeah, and we're getting dessert. We went to Nobu. We got one of everything. You guys probably already saw in the vlog. Why do we do this for everything? Okay, so I got the truffle sashimi. It looks so good. Then we got the tuna rice cakes and avocado rice cakes.